What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be replacing the air filter on my truck because the other day I pulled over. I decided to do something that was long overdue, and that was to check the air filter on the truck. It was always in the back of my mind, and then decided to do it. And I noticed that it was filled with black dust and dirt and like dried in oil or something, I don't know. So I decided I need a new air filter, and it's really not good for this truck to be breathing in dirty air like that. So today I'm getting an air filter. So I got the air filter. I did not have the K&N filter. I would have went for the K&N because its performance, I'll probably get more horsepower out of it. Even though horsepower doesn't really matter because, again, just a Ford Ranger. But another plus side of getting the K&N that, you know, I would prefer over getting this Fram air filter, whatever it's called, is that you can wash it. Instead of buying an air filter every 20,000 kilometers, you would, with the K&N, you could just rinse it out, spray it down with a hose, and clean it out, and then it's reusable. For now, just because this was easier to find and I don't have to order it, and this air filter, which I will show you guys and you will see once I get this air filter out, is clogged up. Like, this truck has a new, well, it's a used engine, but it's a new engine from another truck, and it was in really good shape. But the reason it was swapped is because the last engine that was in this blew up, and it looks like the filter is the same because, well, as you'll see, it's got black charred, like used up oil in it or something or other. I really don't know, but it'll be really good to get this new one in, and I'll catch up with you guys once I'm back home and ready to put it in. Because when I checked the filter, I remember burning myself off of the hoses there. Oh, so far, so good. So those two clips hold on the end, and then it pushes in. If you can see it, there's clips here, so you have to push towards the other side of the car and then lift up there. Now let me show you what I mean about this filter. It's just caked. So I vacuumed it out a little bit, and then I wet this rag a little bit after wiping it already. And it's a bit cleaner. There's still dust in there, but all the little like rock pieces are out. So now it's time for the new filter. It's a bit of a difference here. Drop it in. There we go. Now, pop it back in. That. This clip strapped on. One. And number two. There we go. New air filter installed. So I got the new filter installed. I'm actually on my way to work, so I don't know if I'll be able to test the performance. But I will record a little bit on my way there, and I'll let you guys know if I actually feel a difference. As you could see, there was a lot of dirt and crap built up in the filter, also in the air box, which I vacuumed out and everything. So hopefully I can feel a bit more of a power increase there. So initially, I don't feel any, I'm not feeling a huge difference, but I have noticed like letting off the gas there, it feels like it starts pulling more. There's probably not a huge difference. I'm probably just over analyzing driving this thing, because it is like, this truck for what it is pretty fast at accelerating and torquey and powerful. It could feel more powerful. I really don't know. So since I'm headed to work, I'm not really able to test the acceleration, but I will include a clip here at the end. So I'm gonna thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video if you want to see more truck content like this, and get prepared for the Ranger build. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. And I'll be going to 100.